lot of people, especially 31 other delegates from Japan and also other Southeast Asian countries. They were really smart, intelligent, and inspiring. Well, Asia has a lot of special leaders here, and I felt confident that Asian cities or Asian countries would be developing in years.
Welcome everyone to the 17th Hitachi Young Leaders Initiative 2024. Now a big round of applause for all of us.
28 years ago, in 1996, we planted a seed aiming to nurture future leaders across the region. Today, that seed has grown into a mighty tree, bringing together brilliant, passionate students from 8 countries to discuss pressing regional and global issues. Over 400 exceptional students have joined this journey, each contributing to a legacy of leadership and innovation. This experience will be a step toward in our journey to inspire the next. Together, we can create a brighter, more sustainable world.
I am the Deputy Chairman for Funding and Investment at the Authority of Nusantara Capital City, the new capital city of Indonesia. And just 25 years ago, I was, like you, a participant of the Hitachi Young Leaders Initiative in 1999. I believe you all, the young generation, the HYLI participants, you are the kind of people who want to make things happen. And let's set that as a vision in your goal as being a HYLIer to fly high.
I am so proud to witness the gathering of so many talents and next generation leaders under one roof. I hope that they are now better equipped to contribute toward a brighter future through HYLI.
Having visited the microgrid, I think I'm really inspired by the work that Hitachi does. I really like what Hitachi does because not only do they actually create energy that's sustainable for the future, they actually involve the community.
One of the things I told myself before joining HYLI was to have an open mind, because I do think there are a lot of opportunities for me to learn here in the event.
Participate in HYLI because I saw the urgency of the young generation to actually participate and take part in discussing and creating solutions towards the global and regional issues. And young leaders actually have a lot of resource and power to drive positive changes. We can advocate for more policy changes, the betterment of the policy. We can also mobilize resource, and we can inspire others to actually take action together for a better future.
Before joining HYLI, I always thought that energy and the topic of social innovation was something that was far off reach, or something that didn't have anything to do with me. But after joining HYLI, it changed my perspective, in the sense that I came to know that energy and social innovation has everything to do with us. It has everything to do with the communities we live in and the societies we are in.
Number one tip, don't compare yourself with others. Tips number 2 is don't be afraid to make any mistakes. Number 3 tips, don't forget your purpose. But as you know, the most important thing is to enjoy HYLI.
Teamwork, respect, and connect. I believe this is a key. I think that this occasion give you the confidence and also the valuable experiences. Finally, I'd like to appreciate all the efforts and also I wish best of luck for your all the future.
HYLI has definitely been instrumental in shaping my future goal. What's really nice is that I got to meet with like different people and people who share the same interests and the same passion.
Tonight we are celebrating our diverse cultures. Effective leadership is strengthened by the ability to appreciate different perspectives and different values. And that ability is critical across the vast range of challenges that we run into through life, whether it's innovation, science, business, policy, social impact. It's to bring perspectives of different people from different backgrounds and values to the same problem, and that's how you can overcome that problem.
This HYLI event, everyone gave or received something so impressive from each other. Our Hitachi side have also received energy and courage from you all. What we did tonight will enrich not only you, only your studies, works, but also your life as well. Let's continue this fun relationship forever. And once again, thank you so much for your shining smile tonight.
The most memorable experience I have to say is the cultural night. It really leaves a long-lasting impression on the night and the memories we make with our friends.
I believe the most valuable lesson throughout the 4 days HYLI program will definitely be the importance of networking. And with this exchange of thoughts, we're able to come up with really great ideas that I believe is for a greater future for all, not just in our region, but of course globally. Not just for you and me, but for all the greater future and greater good.